Hi, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? So what's going on? This video is very important for all Hedera Hashgraph holder because remember this time Hedera Hashgraph price is increasing, my friend, and definitely in upcoming time, can they will give you a profit? Can this is possible to the price will more pumps up? And why, my friend, the price will pumping up in this time, my friend? Can really the price will hit now, my friend, 0.5 USD dollar? Yes, my brother, just in only they will take a 1 day and they will give you, my friend, 0.5 USD dollar. But absolutely this is possible if a holder are starting holding, if a holder are starting investing. Let's get start this brand video. Please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. This time, my friend, you can see here the Hedera Hashgraph last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 7 days, all change occurring positive and very good, my friends, moment. You can see here 1.01% just increase in last 1 hour. So it's really nice, my friend. It's a really great jump, my friend. And I hope in upcoming tips they will also take a very huge jumps now. So as it possible, my friends, so they will take a very huge jump in upcoming time. 100%, my friend, this is possible. And I hope my friends, Hedera Hashgraph will make you millionaire now, and they will give you very good profit. So please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get 100% profit. 32.09% in the last 7 days the price will pumps up. So that's mean, my friend, to the price is continuously increasing, and as you can see, my friend, the chart result, so definitely they will completely moving in upward direction. So therefore you will need, my friends, to just and only hold now. But if you want to buy more, so this time the price is increasing, and when the price is increasing, so obviously every holder are starting buying more and more. So I recommend you, please, if you want to buy it, so buy it urgently, because my brother, I think, are you also going to be late now? So please buy it. I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time, Hedera Hashgraph holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos.